Hey everybody, it's Ray from Team Reese Travels, and today, guess what, y'all? We will be discussing my favorite website to use to book our hotels, and that website is agoda.com. But before we get into that website, I would like to thank you to our returning subscribers. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. You are making this thing great, and without you, it wouldn't be no us. We wouldn't be able to do what we do. So we appreciate you. Make sure, as always, you hit that like bell, hit that like button, and share it to your family and friends. Share it to everybody you know that wants to book a hotel for a reasonable price. And if you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. We greatly appreciate you, and we hope that you enjoy this video as well as our other videos. Make sure you hit the like bell, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, so that way you can get all of the notifications for every video that we post. All right, everybody, we are back, and we are here to talk about, again, my favorite website, agoda.com. And as you can see, it's already pulled up. I've already logged in. Just a few points to talk about. So right here at the top, of course, it's agoda.com, and these are your options. You can look up hotels and homes, flights, airport transfers. They have coupons and deals that come up all the time. You can come on the website or the app and see them, as well as you'll get them in your email. There's even opportunities for apartments, to look at apartments if you want to do like Airbnbs, just like with homes. And there you can also book activities. I've already logged in, but if you're not a member already, you can either, it'll be two boxes up here, say sign in or create an account. And as you can see, I'm already logged in. And would you look at that? They know me. They love me. They said, hey, Ray, pay less with Agoda so you can spend more on yourself. I like that. I hope you like that too. All right. So, again, we talked about these items up here, so we're going to jump right in. I kind of filled in a couple of things already that we'll do. So we're going to look up Los Angeles, California for the dates of October 1st through the 23rd. That's a 3-day weekend. Usually that's what we like to do if we can get away. For those amount of days. And what I did was I looked it up under 2 adults. A lot of times if you go to websites, you'll look up hotels on websites, and they may say 2 adults and how many kids. I don't normally put down we're bringing RJ with us. Now, as a disclaimer, please know that we love RJ, and as well as you all love RJ, but these websites seem to elevate the prices when you decide you want to add the child. So we always just do 2 adults. And if you go to a regular hotel's website, it'll always say usually the child is either 12 or 13 years or younger, they can stay for free. So why do they elevate the prices? I don't know. So let's jump right in. We're going to click the search box, and it's going to say best price guarantee, and see what they find us, everybody. See what they find us. All right, there's something big going on in California, because as you can see, it says 40% of the properties on this particular website are already booked. So there's something big going on. And so to your left side, you can see there are popular filters for California. You can put in the price, so from $0 to $2,800 a night. You could look up 5-star hotels only, 4-star, 3-star. These are some other options here. You can also do distance from the center. So that would be the center of California. So you could do inside the center, there are 134 hotels, 2 kilometers out, 2 to 5, 5 to 10, and 10 or more. So the further out from downtown Los Angeles, there are more hotels compared to being downtown. You can also look up into the neighborhoods that they have these different hotels in. You can look up location highlights. As you can see, it's sightseeing, restaurants, shopping areas. There's 5 other ones, popular attractions. And then if you want to stay at a beach or a private beach, they also have those options as well. So let's scroll back up a little bit here, and you can see that, and these are your other options where you can sort here. So you can do best match, lowest price, distance, which is that right there to the left side, which says distance to center, top review. There's also other options. And so you can see that the top review website, hotels in Los Angeles. So what we'll do is we'll look at the Intercontinental Los Angeles downtown. This is a very nice hotel. When you ever look at an Intercontinental anywhere, it's always a beautiful hotel. And from the outside of this, I haven't clicked on it yet, but I'm excited. As you can see from the outside of this is a beautiful hotel. So it's Intercontinental Los Angeles downtown. And when you look at that, this particular property is 71% off. It's called a mega sale. Normally for this for a weekend, as I guess at a weekend rate, normally this hotel is $1,026 a night, but it's on sale right now for $301. What an amazing price reduction! I think I want to book it now, even though I ain't going to LA. But let's click on it. So it is pulling it up, pulling it up, pulling it up. Wow! Would you look at that? This is a 4.5-star hotel in downtown Los Angeles. Oh my gosh. Let's go into these photos, everybody. Oh my goodness. Oh man, I'm ready to stay here and I ain't even got to go. So, this is the one part I want to show you. So, when you go into this area right here, you can see that they allow you to see the rooms. You can see what the rooms look like. So this is one king classic bedroom, and this is the bedroom itself. This is a classic room. It's with a view of Los Angeles. This is a two queen classic room, and so on and so on and so on. This is a beautiful hotel. And also, if you look to the right, it gives you, as you click through, it gives you the pricing and the discounts that's on it. So like this particular one is 62% off. This one is 24% off. This one is just $436. There ain't no discount on this one. And also, if you look up here, it gives you the bed you'll get, the room size. It's a non-smoking room, and it comes with a bathtub. This one's 5% off. So let's go in here. So as you can see, it gives you all the information. It gives you the address. It gives you some basic information about the hotel, the highlights of it. It's an IHG hotel, and what I've learned is if you have IHG, Marriott Bonvoy, Hilton Honors, you can always call the hotel and have them to add that to your account so you can get those points for your stays. Shows you some of the amenities they have, the staycation offer available, facilities. So let's go on here down here and select your room. So this particular room is the one king bed classic room. So at $301, which would be the price if you paid today, it will be $301, and this is what you get. You'll get free Wi-Fi. It's an extra low price, and then you have an option for breakfast at $80. And you also get the agoda rewards, the 2 times agoda rewards at $7. And like I said before, you can use that towards another stay. First of all, as I go back, what kind of breakfast are you eating in LA for $80? I don't know. It must be the most exclusive breakfast ever. So, as I told you guys before, the prices fluctuate, depends on what you're going to do. So let's say you didn't pay today, but you want to pay on October 16th. So on October 16th, you will owe them $334 a night plus taxes and fees. You would still get those same amenities, but you wouldn't have to pay till October. For this one, you get parking, free Wi-Fi, nothing paid until October 16th. Breakfast is optional, and then you get more agoda cash on this one. Another one, breakfast is included with this one for $366. For $2 more, you can get breakfast included for 2 with free Wi-Fi and a little bit more agoda cash. And for this one, also it jumps down a little bit more. You get a little bit more agoda cash, and it's $394. It's 62% off. So it all depends where you want to stay. So let's say you know what, Ray? I want to do it free Wi-Fi, and I want to do it with breakfast included. All right. So breakfast for 2, which is included, $366 a night. So you're going to go to book now. Wait till it goes through the process. So now, book now. Intercontinental Los Angeles downtown. Right. So what we're going to do is, it already has my contact information. And like I said before, let's say you want to do it, but you're on the fence. You want to do it, but you're on the fence. So you say, I need more time. Gives you 5 more minutes. As you can see, breakfast is included. Non-smoking room. Yes, I want a large bed. It says your $8.50 agoda cash will appear 7 days after checkout. So it has to be used by a certain date. So that's the only downside about it. So check that out. Normally, this room will cost us for 2 nights $2,051.30. But because it's on sale at 64% off, we got the room for $731.20, which is a total of $849.67. Now, tax, which is 16.2%, is already included. What's not included is the resort fee, which you pay on a nightly basis, which is $69.72 a night. But the greatest thing about this is, look what you saved. Look what you saved. $1,320 on this booking. $1,300. That is amazing, and that's why I love agoda.com. So here you can go to the final step. You say, Ray, that's cool, let's book that. So here are your options to pay. You also have other options, so you could do a debit card, credit card, digital payment, or you like, man, I don't have all that money right now. You could do monthly payments, and you go through affirm.com. It just gives you a summary again of everything you're going to get, gives you a final price of what you're going to get, and then you click book now. I'm not going to click book now because Kiki is not going to get me. No, we're not going to do that, and plus we're not going to LA, so it'll be a waste of money. So anyways, click book now. You'll go through the whole process, and if you have the app, it'll update your app to let you know that you have booked. Your booking is confirmed. It'll also send you a confirmation in your email that your booking is confirmed. So this is why I love agoda.com. You could save on this particular hotel 64%. You can save $1,300 on this particular booking for 2 nights. What an amazing thing. So this is agoda.com. This is why I love it. This is why I love the app, because the app gives you a little bit more extra features as well. I'm not going to go through, I can't go through everything because this video would be extremely long. But this is why I love agoda.com. This is why I love this website, the app. And if you guys are interested, there will be a affiliate link in the description box. Click on that affiliate link. It helps me out, and it also gets you right to this website so you can book your more reasonable stay than you would through some of the hotel websites. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Thank you very much, and have a good one.